Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all, guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful sewing wall hanging storage ideas. These are very amazing and very classy ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you want different other ideas, crafts related ideas on my channel, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel about that very soon, inshallah. So viewers, I'm glad to see you all, guys. These are very beautiful and very amazing sewing ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, and these are beautiful and very amazing sewing ideas for you guys. Hope so, guys, you like this video and you share this video with your friends and with your family members. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Take care. Stay tuned till the next video. Enjoy this video. Take care.